Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is my Weebly account. This is my homepage, so welcome. Hello, my name is Alyssa Walker. Through my website, you will see all of the projects I have completed through the semester. I have learned many new skills from budgeting to uploading videos. I hope you enjoy. Okay. Here's a little bit about me. After I graduate from CWI, I plan to attend Boise State. After I graduate from the teaching program, I really want to teach second grade at a small school. When I was growing up, I had a really hard time learning how to read. I attended many reading programs and even an eye therapy to learn how to read. I really want to be able to help other students that struggle to learn how to read, since I had such a hard time too. I think that'll help me be able to relate. Here's one of the first projects I did. This is called a word assignment, and here's one of my assignments that we did. Sorry, my internet's being kind of slow. Okay, if you see here, this word assignment taught us how to use the snipping tool. This is just one picture I saw online that I decided to use in this. Here's another one that taught us how to organize, creating files and folders. This one was showing us how to send a CWI email. This one was using Word Online. This was an online Word document. This one was just MLI formatting, which is super important. And then here was a handout that we did creating documents. And if you go through, you can see lots of other things that we did. Back to my Weebly. In my Excel assignment, you'll see two different things. One is a PowerPoint that we did. I did mine on molecules to organisms, structures to processes. And this is one of the Common Core things. And if you just go through, you can see all the different things that I did, teaching the students how to plant our seeds, what the steps they'll need, the life cycle, how this ties into the Common Core. Here's my summary. This is extra resources that I think is important, so if students didn't understand, this is another book they can check out. And remember, this is for second graders, so stuff like the tiny seed. In this, you will also see an Excel sheet that we did. In our Excel sheet, we did 3 different things that I'll go ahead and show you. This was the playground sheet. This was just kind of showing us different things we could do, conferences, making sheets, a long list of students in your class, our curriculum breakdowns, and then grade breakdowns. And I actually thought this was super interesting because this adds them all up for you, and it's a super easy way to do it. I'm going to kind of go through these kind of fast. This is another PowerPoint. If you open this link, it'll show you something we did on Facebook. I chose Facebook groups and how this is a great resource for teachers. This is my WebQuest. This is a site we use called Zoonal. If you go through my Zoonal, it'll show you all the different things of synonyms, and it has some great websites that people can access, different things to test your students. And then just my other examples on classroom technology, and I talked kind of again about the Facebook group that I did. Thank you for checking out my Weebly, and thanks for watching my video.